How to show alarm on iPhone lock screen. To put alarm on iPhone lock screen, you first need to open clock on your phone. You will see an interface like this, where you can customize alarms for yourself. From here, toggle on any alarm as you like. Now, if you want to add a new alarm, you need to tap this plus icon at the top right corner. Then, once you're finished customizing your alarm, tap on Save at the top right corner. Now, minimize the application. Then, go to Settings. Once you're in the settings, you need to scroll down to the wallpaper option. Now, tap on it. Then, tap on the Customize button over here. After that, long press and hold the widgets until the widget customization menu appears. Now, tap on the minus icon over a widget to remove it. Then, select the alarm widget from the menu. Once you're finished customizing, tap on Done at the top right corner of your screen. There you go, you have successfully added an alarm widget on your lock screen. Now, you can control your alarm from the lock screen. By following these simple steps, you can easily show alarm on iPhone lock screen.